Here we go, here we go. We're about to draw another face. We're about to draw another face right over on here. Take it quick. All right, we got another wonderful face that we're about to draw here. There's a few photos I can choose from as well for this one. I think this is probably the best one in my opinion, but this is also a good one. I kind of like the hat, that's kind of cute, so I'm probably thinking that could work. And so we're gonna try to use that. Hello, hello, how's it going? Here we go, we're about to, oh, keep it vertical then. Here we go. We're gonna draw Stuart Fullerton right here. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty clearly. All right, here we go. New layer. I'm thinking this photo is going to do her justice. Thinking her eyes kind of stand out, so we're gonna try and accommodate those eyes in there. Very, very small nose. See if we can do a little bit of a better capture of that. Nice. I don't like those lines either. Picky sometimes. Must be, right? In order to provide quality. So I'm thinking this would work for her, and then having her hair just like this. Little hat, just kind of floating there. Is that, what do you think? Actually, nope, we're not gonna go with that one. Let's just go with the next layer here. So I'm thinking this was the best photo for me to use. I always like to evaluate the different angles. So here we go. Dimple. Definitely that chin is prominent. A little bit thinner here. What a pronounced bottom lip. And these eyes are fairly high up on the face here. I can say she has freckles as well as the last freckles girl we did, as well as Maddie that rather. We're going to stop the hair right here. Last but not least, What do you think? Did I capture her best on her first drawing or on the second? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Alright, make sure you sign your work. Oh, yours is gonna need to be signed backwards. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. That was a lot of fun. And we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys are following and that you're also, what do you call it, subscribing onto YouTube. Go and check them out right now. I have placed 2 new videos today that are not on IGTV. So go and check them out right now. Much love to you guys. See you guys until next time.